Nag-uusap-usap man lang ba yung accounting team mo? May isang client ako. May multiple branches ang business niya sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ang challenge nila, ang hirap ng collaboration between the finance and the operations team. Paano naman kasi yung Manila branch may sari-sariling records. Yung Cebu, iba naman yung records. Tapos tuwing month-end, inaabot sila ng ilang linggo kaka-email ng mga files pabalik-balik. Ang ending, late reports, double entries, at syempre, kawalan ng visibility sa business. That's why we introduce accounting automation to their business. Since cloud-based na yung accounting records, lahat ng teams kahit nasa ang branch pa yan, may access sa parehong real-time data. Kapag may benta sa Cebu, kita agad ng finance sa Manila. Kapag may expense na na-input, automatic ding nare-reflect sa system. Wala nang endless email attachments, wala nang version 33 ng Excel file, mas mabilis mag-assemble ng records and mas konti ang error at mas smooth ang teamwork. Kung hirap na yung team mo na makipag-coordinate gamit ang spreadsheets at email threads, baka panahon na para mag-shift sa isang system na talagang built for collaboration. With accounting automation, everyone works on the same set of numbers at mas mabilis ang decision making. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.